Are you smiling? Okay.
Open your present.
Open your present.
What's in it?
Hello. How you doing?
Here's more.
What is it, Asher? He's opening it right
Dig,
now.
dig. Dig, dig. Yay. Okay.
Dig, dig.
Wow.
No, he already has a present.
What, Asher? It's Grammy again. Say yay!
Asher. No,
Can you tell her thank you for the dig dig?
No, he's opening this.
Say that's what I've opened so far.
Wow. Take this out.
You want me to take it while you?
Take it
Here,
out.
let me have the phone while you. So far, he's just opened the dig dig.
Asher, open this. Watch. I'll help you. This is gonna be a little.
I was trying to get Eric to have him open it while you were still on the phone anyway, so. Yeah. Yeah. You see, I like the jacket too.
Yes. Here,
I think my kid
I'll open that.
clothes.
What's
I
this?
don't know.
I'm helping him open this.
That is
No,
good.
the audio.
Okay, go ahead and open it, Asher.
Wait.
Sophia, don't take it
Everything
away.
good
I'm
with
helping
you?
him open this.
Good.
Asher,
Hate to not be
take
here,
the top
don't
off.
you? I know.
Okay, Dad.
Oh, we hate it too.
What's in there? Pull it out. Pull it out. Weston, don't say that yet. That was mean.
I'm sure he'll share.
That was mean.
Yeah, that's a
Okay.
good idea.
Ready for the next
That's right. I've been carrying a box around for
one?
Chris
Can I have
and
one?
Camille and Carson for about 3 weeks, or I guess 2 weeks
Take
now anyway.
more
And I
feet.
packed up a few of those
Okay, that's all.
girl
Mine.
clothes that you made. Yeah.
One.
So cute. It was like,
I
I
get
need to
one.
get this up. And I'm like, oh, but
That's all.
having her wear
Put
them
it in.
is so good.
No more.
You want to try another one? Open up another present?
Well, tell her not to feel bad.
Open it like
Oh, that's right. Of course, we forgot that too.
No, wait.
We've been swamped, busy. Eric's been working every night, and I've had this event today, and then I've got a golf tournament in a month. It's been crazy, and school stuff, and I've been trying to drive on a few of the field trips, and it's just crazy. But we shouldn't let that keep us from forgetting stuff.
Let me help you take it off. No, just stop. Man.
Anyway, love ya, and
Now open it
we'll
from
talk to you again in a few days. Okay.
What's that?
Okay.
Take it out. He got one close. Uh-oh. He got one toy so far.
Yay!
Well, look. This is not a toy. Asher, this is a toy. Because I can feel that one's hard. Yeah, it doesn't always mean it's a toy. Get out of the way of the camera, Weston. Right there. Weston, he's going to be okay. Okay. Now right here. Weston, he knows. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. Weston. You're saying he doesn't know anything. He does.
No, Weston.
That's what I was trying to tell him.
What's that, man?
Yeah.
Weston.
Weston, stop helping him.
Ooh.
What is it?
Connects.
More?
Not more.
Oh, yeah.
This is his first.
Asher has.
Oh, we
Weston
did
has
have that
some.
way.
Weston has that one.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in it.
You want to try those?
Want to open it?
Okay.
Asher. Yes.
Okay.
Asher, say hi. Say camera.
Say hi.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Are you getting them?
Yeah, getting him.
You want it?
Dig, dig. All right.
Trying to open this one.
Okay.
Sure. Say hi to Dory. Show it to the camera.
Ooh. Okay. Let me just let me cut this first. And you can play with the dig dig. Dig dig. What is that?
Oh no!
You don't know?
A boo!
Who?
Yeah. It's not. Asshole. What? This. No. Asshole, look what you can do with them. Asshole, look what you can do with them. Look. You can make stuff out of these. That's for your present too. Yeah. Listen, look at the camera. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Say cheese.
There you
Say
go.
cheese. Say
There you
cheese,
go.
Esther, at the camera. Asshole. Say cheese.
Dig,
How
dig.
old are you? Asshole. Dad.
Dig dig.
What do we do?
Dig dig.
Dad, what do we do?
What?
No. I have a cat.
Hi.
Asshole, look what it can do.
There. Now try it.
Asher, use the dig dig.
And then this goes down. Look at that.
I can do this too. Listen. Show us the string.
Dig dig dig. All right, let's see what these are. You keep playing, we'll see what these are.
Did you like the pixel I gave you? Oh yeah, Dad, I have a card for him. Except
You do?
I didn't put the picture in.
You didn't?
Yeah. Can you tape for a second?
Go ahead and stop. Go ahead and stop.
Okay. What button? Up here?
Yep, that's fine. Say it.
I said go on. Weston, don't take it
This
away.
is from Sophia. This is from Sophia. You want to open it up and read it?
Dad,
Open
you
it.
read it to him.
Here, let's read it. It says, "Happy birthday, Asher. Hope you have a wonderful day today. Yum cake." Look at that cake she made.
Show it to the camera, Dad. Okay.
Yum
Where'd
cake.
you go? Oh.
You like cake?
Asshole! Asshole.
Oh look, it's from Weston. He just put his name on there. Say thank you, Weston.
Do you like the dig dig?
Carry, carry, carry.
Also, show the camera the dig dig that you have.
Can you show it, Asher?
Yeah.
Show Sophia.
Yeah, cool.
Look at, show her what it can do.
What can it do, Asher? What else can it do?
What else can it do?
Do the claw.
Do the claw. Here.
Do the big dig dig claw.
Here. And this goes down.
I make two lessons of it.
This goes up. Ooh. Mm. You like that? Look at that.
Wow.
Weston put his name on there twice.
Good job, Weston. Did you know you're supposed to be practicing your last name, though? Cole and Alexa would love for you guys to come out.
I know what I'm going to say. So Cole can't get it.
I need to dry first.
Cool, Weston. What is
Go
that?
get it on the couch, please. Move it on away from the couch.
Is it a birdhouse? Yeah.
Away from the couch. Thank you.
Mom. Yeah, Mom.
Put it back on top of the bag somewhere and let it finish drying, please.
I'm going to do that.
Thank you.
Right here. What's that?
Oh, that's all the way.
Look
Right here,
that.
zoom in.